पंचायत.
We are doing it our level. It's happening.
तुम्ही थंय विजीट केन्ना करूंक ना
Where?
कलंगूट पंचायत.
Kalangul Panchayat, we have a sub center on the first floor. So our workers are over there.
सो त्यांचे म्हणणे असं की फक्त इम्युनायझेशन जे प्रोग्राम असतात तेच जाता म्हणजे त्यांच्यानी जसे फ्री कॅम्प दवरलेले आसात तशाच प्रमाणे तुमचे कडल्यान तांकां काय मेळना अशें
We are testing. We have a whole full-fledged laboratory in our hospital, which is catering to Kalangut, Kandoli, Nerul, Reis Magos, and Arpora. Their lab is managing all the patients from all the areas. आमकां येता हांगा lot of fever cases. आता ह्या विकान मातशें कमी जाला नाल्यार अरावंड 30 even 40 patients were coming for testing, both malaria as well as dengue testing. Once they have fever, we do both malaria testing as well as dengue testing, and there are a lot of positive dengue patients. So when we send for confirmation, there are fewer cases. Confirmation is done in Asilo or in GMC. We confirm dengue case. That report comes a little late. What we do is once they come here and we do the test, we do what is called an NS1 positive, NS1 test. So when that is positive, we take action. Like patient if he needs admission, the doctor will examine and decide whether to admit him, put him on IV fluids, other treatment, whether his platelets have to be sent. All that is done, and along with that, we inform our field workers about these positive cases, and they are sent to the houses of these households of the dengue positive, malaria positive patients. They go there and they examine to see whether any bleeding of water. Because dengue mosquitoes, they are breeding in clear water, clean water, not in dirty water from the gutter. Water which is stored like in the houses, around the houses, or it is in the flower pots. That kind of water is the places, or anything with discarded containers. So that is where dengue mosquitoes are breeding. So they test, they check for breeding, they empty the container, they inform the households, they do fever survey to see anybody else having fever, and they do fogging. When there is a positive case, that's the only time it's an indication for us to do fogging around the house, so that anybody is not bitten by the mosquitoes who have bitten the patient around the area. That's the whole idea of doing fogging.
आता मेरेन कितल्यो केसीस जाल्ल्यो आसा कांदोली मेरेन डेंगूच्यो पॉझिटिव्ह.
Positive. That's what we are getting a lot of positives, like even 50 to 60, 70 cases. But when we do confirmation tests are not coming positive. Confirmatory numbers are very less.
सो आताच्या फिगरान
We are waiting.
जेन्ना मॅडम पेशंट्स येता हांगासर इन वॉट कंडिशन तो येता कितें पयलीं जोर येता ओवर
They get fever, chills, headache, pain behind the eyes, body ache. So when they come with these symptoms, they are immediately tested from malaria.
आनी कितें ट्रिटमेंट कितें प्रिकॉशन्स तांकां
Then the precaution is we have to check if they are unable to retain fluid, they are having vomiting, they can't take fluids, if the blood pressure is low, then they are admitted and put on IV intravenous fluids. And other things for fever, if platelets are low, then they are given their treatment. So all the treatment is carried out as per the SOPs. Now the head office has given us some standard operating procedures which we follow for all dengue cases. Then there are going to be uniform procedures in place. So every patient comes based on his platelet counts, based on his fever pattern, treatment is given.
मॅडम इंडस्ट्रीज आमी पळयलो की केसीस ह्या कळंगुटान कांदोलीन वाडत चललेले आसा.
Everybody is positive. That area around that place, if it's a hotel, all the workers over there. If it is a house, then the people around the same ward all are asked if they have fever, any symptoms of suggestive of dengue, they are told to come and do testing. The dengue test has to be done in our hospital. Like for malaria, our workers go in the field and they can collect slides for malaria. It's a finger prick test. But for dengue, the blood sample is collected intravenously. So it's better to do it in the laboratory setting in our hospital. It's done in the hospital. So we can't, there's no test where you can use a finger prick test and do malaria testing. So that's why we can't do the testing in the field. Testing is done in the hospital.
सो डेंगूच्या केसीसा प्रमाणे आतापर्यंत कितें मलेरियाचे चान्सेस बीन मेळ्ळा सम सिम्टम्स कोणा मदीं.
Malaria and dengue, they are two different diseases.
Yeah, but as now the number of cases are in dengue, but as in त्यात प्रमाणे
Malaria, what has happened is there were a lot of cases before, but now it's on the decline. In fact, now the government has planned to see that it will eliminate, malaria cases by taking certain measures. What is seen is basically the lot of construction workers who are coming from other states where it's endemic. Malaria is seen in people who are even having no symptoms but still they have malaria. Those people, when they come here for construction work, they carry the parasite and come here to Goa. So now what is the rule is there under Public Health Act, all the construction workers have to do the testing for malaria. So our workers, field workers, every construction site where there are workers, they go and collect slides for malaria and they send it for testing to us over here. So that is how, so screening is done of all labours. Okay, also screening is done for all hotel staff will do screening. So this way by doing screening, what we are trying to do is bring down the malaria cases.
And your awareness camp, like as Kalangut Panchayat are conducting a free medical checkup and medicines for तसेच प्रमाणे कितें तरी तुमच्या वाटेंतल्यान
We are it's an ongoing activity. There is a source every Saturday, every sub-center. We have got 5 sub-centers. Under every sub-center, all the areas which come, there we have source reduction drive. Means we go from house to house, construction sites, and any source reduction is anything which any containers which can carry, store water for more than say 5, 6, 7 days. Those all containers are eliminated, either emptied or we are educate all the households. Also now recently, last 1 month, we have done it in conjunction with, in collaboration with the panchayats. They have given us workers, they have given us their garbage trucks to help us in the source reduction drive. Even Kandoli is being done from ward to ward. Ward members are cooperating, the punch members are cooperating. They come with us along with our field workers and we do it from house to house.